My name is Anita Kankani from Cohort 10, and this is my submission of the Microsoft Power App Final Challenge. So in this project, I combine all the 5 components of the Power Platform, which include Power BI, Power Automate, Copilot, Power Apps, and Dataverse. And it all started with a solution. In my solution, I've got 2 apps, which include the Canvas app and the model-driven app. I have 1 chatbot, 2 Power Automate cloud flows, 1 sitemap, and 4 tables. Now let's go ahead and start with the Canvas app. Here on my Canvas app, I have a home page. So when a customer or when anyone just opens this page on either their browser or phone or tablet, this is the page that they're going to see. So on this page, we have the customer button, the staff manager, and even the new user button. So when a customer want to shop on this Soul Style footwear app, they want to know just how to go about it. So they need to chat with someone or a chatbot in order to know how to go about it. So let's go ahead and chat with the chatbot. Well, I'm supposed to do it here, but this is not working due to connection problems. So let's go ahead and try that on Copilot and see how it works. This is Copilot. Let's go ahead and chat. Let's say something like, hola. Okay, so they've replied, hello there, welcome to Soul Style Store. How may we help you today? So we want to know, what do you sell? We sell different types of shoes ranging from different categories, all right? So where's your location? For now, we don't have a physical store, but we have pickup locations in 5 different countries. Okay, so do I get any discount? Do I get any discount? Right now, every item in our store has a discount on it. You get 7% discount on every item you're buying from us. That's a good deal. So how do I place an order? If you're a regular customer, you can place your order by clicking on the customer button. If you're a new customer, you can click on the new user button and you'll be guided on how to place your order. Did I answer your question? Of course you did. So, thank you. See the reply. You're welcome. Now let's go ahead and shop. Let's click on the customer button. So when a customer clicks on this button, this is the page that he's going to see. So on this page, we have the home button, we have the next page button. We can also go ahead and filter this products by category. We can go ahead and filter by color as well. So let's go ahead and add a few items to our cart. Let's go ahead and add 2 of this, let's say size 10 to our cart. So as we're adding this item, we're seeing them being added to our cart. Now keep shopping. Let's go to another category and add, let's say flats. Okay, so let's go ahead and add 1 of this, size 9. Add to cart. Okay, so we can either keep shopping from here or go to my cart from here. So let's say go to my cart from here. Now we can see everything we need to see about the order we just made. We can see the price per item, the shipping cost, the discount, subtotal, total price. We can also see the quantity and the delete button. We can delete an item from here. We can also go ahead to add an item from here. So let's try that and see how it works. So let's see how everything is going to add up by doing that. So here we have the total amount, the shipping cost, discount for all items, total quantity, and total amount to pay. Everything just added. Now let's go back and add another item from another category and see how everything is going to add up accordingly. Let's say Oxford, for example. So let's go ahead and add, let's say 2 of this to our cart, size 12. Add to cart. Okay, so let's keep shopping and go to our cart from here. Now, if we check, we can see how everything has added up. Quantity now is 6. Everything has added accordingly. So let's go ahead and delete this item and see what happens. Okay, so we just did, and everything is calculated accordingly. Now let's go ahead and check out. So we have information here in this input, text input. So let's just go ahead and change only the name. So let's say my name is the lady. Okay, so let's just leave it that way, leave everything as it is, and check out. So when we do that, when we submit our order, we're supposed to receive an email notifying the buyer that his item, his purchase has been successful. So let's go ahead and check if we have an email. Okay, what's the time? 8:32 a.m. here. So let's see. Yep, we just have it. Hello, the lady. This is to notify you that your order has been received. Estimated delivery date is 7 days from now. So each time a customer buys an item from the Soul Style store, he's going to receive an email letting him know that his purchase has been successful. Now let's go ahead and log in as a staff. So when the staffs log into their page, this is what they're going to see. On this page, we can see every product in the store. We can go ahead and filter those products by color. We can filter and see the different colors we have. We can filter by colors. We can also go ahead and click on this button to show all items. We can also go ahead and click on this button to view items by category. So when we click here, we can see the categories of the shoes we have in the store. So when we click on the different categories, we can see the actual numbers that we have. We can also go ahead and click on this button to see all items. We can go back, and we can also click on this button to add items to the store's inventory or to view every details we need to see about the shoes in our store. On this page, we can also go ahead and filter these products by category. And when we come to this page, we can see the full details on every item. We can see every information, every single detail or information we're supposed to see about a particular shoe on this page. We can also go ahead and add an item from here. So let's try that and see how it works. Let's say my name is Annie. Let's say the shoe name is Good Shoes. Let's just call it Good Shoes. So let's give it category, let's say sneakers. Yeah, let's say sneakers. Okay, so color, let's give it yellow. And we can leave every other thing as it is and add a picture. Let's go to our downloads and add a picture from there. So we have white sports sneakers here, although our color is yellow, but let's add that. So this is the shoe we just added under sneakers, although we have that already, but let's just add it to see how this works. So when we add this item from here, the manager is supposed to receive an email letting him know about it. Now let's keep adding in order to view our item. Let's go to the sneakers category and go and see the item. So this is it. This is the item we just added. This is it, and we already have that. So let's go ahead and delete this because we don't need it. While we're doing that, let's go to our email and check if the manager received an email. There it is. Hello, this is to notify you that a product has been added to the store's inventory. Please review it. So this are the details about the shoes we just added. Name, Good Shoes, remember that. Okay, so it means that each time someone adds an item to the store's inventory, the manager receives an email. Now let's go ahead to the model-driven app and see how that works. So here we are in the model-driven app. We have three components here: the categories of shoes, shoe list, and orders. So here we can delete items, we can add items, we can filter, we can update, and all. So we have this shoe list table that contains all the store's inventory where we can manage everything in the store. Now let's go ahead and let's add an item to this store's inventory using the model-driven app to see how that works. Now, we're going to go ahead and add a new item to the store and see if the manager is going to receive an email. So let's say the name is just shoes. Let's just leave it as that. Shoes category ID, let's give it Oxford. Oxford. And color, let's say black. Price, 300. Size, 7. Weight, 0.45 kg. Quantity in stock, let's say 3. Target stock, let's say 40. Shipping cost is 1.5 for every item. Discount is 7%, so that's 0.7 for every item. So we need to save this in order to add a picture, so let's do that. Now let's go ahead and add a picture. Okay, so let's look for, okay, we have this. Let's go ahead and add this. Okay. Okay, now save and close. Let's go back to our email and see if the manager received it. Okay, so here we have it. Hello, this is to notify you that a product has been added to the store's inventory. Please review it. So we have everything regarding the shoe we just added. So we have the name here as shoes. Remember that? Okay, so both the model-driven app and the Canvas app sends an email to the manager each time an item is added. Now let's go back to our Canvas app and log in as the manager. Okay, let's go to home. All right, so this is the manager button, and this is the page where the manager, this is what the manager sees whenever he logs into his page. So it's a Power BI report, but this is going to take a little bit longer to load. So let's go ahead to Power BI and see. So this is the report. So on this report, we can see everything about the store's inventory. We can see the categories of the shoes we have. When we click on the category, we can see the quantity we have by category. We can go ahead and filter this item. So by doing this, we can see that loafers are the lowest items we have in this store, which will give us an idea on which items to restock on and which items are selling faster or which items are selling are slow. We can also go ahead and check the names of the shoes we have in our store. We can see the total quantity of shoes we have in the store. We can see our target here. We can see the total amount of money we've made from the sale of our shoes. We can also go ahead and filter the shoes in the store by color here when we come here. We can also come here and see the total number of shoes we've sold so far in the store. And right here we have a map. This shows the delivery addresses of our customers. It shows where our customers come from, the countries where they come from. So this will give the store's management an idea on how to expand their market in the future if the needs arises. So now let's go back to the manager's page and view the report. So this is the report we just viewed. Now on this page, the manager can go back to home. He can also choose to go to the store's inventory to view these items by category. He can go ahead to see all the items. He can go ahead and filter these items by category as well. He can filter by color. He can go ahead and also add items if he wants to. So everything just works together, both the tables, okay, so I forgot to mention that each time we add an item, it appears on this table right here. And when a customer buys something, we see it on this table.